I'd like also to highlight a couple of things out of my remarks yesterday and some additional issues. First of all, is the issue of the need for a specified period of time. The need for a specified period of time designated in law during which by-elections must be held. By-elections created by parliamentary vacancies, whether by resignation, death, or some other means. I think it should be known that this matter has been under discussion in the ECJ, and we are satisfied that a majority, indeed, if not all representatives on the ECJ, are of the view that such amendments are desirable. It is typical of many other countries, and the reason for our support of the principle is that people in constituencies deserve representation. We, like other administrations in the past, have operated within the old law, but we are clearly of a view now that the law needs to be changed, and that it is not in keeping with the kind of vision of our democracy, which I think most people in the country adhere to, which is that the fundamental issue ought to be to satisfy the representational needs of the population. So what we are giving is a clear-cut indication that a future People's National Party administration would pass such a law with alacrity upon the recommendation of the Electoral Commission of Jamaica.